Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bea, but that was my outfit for this video. And I met my friends up at the station because we're going out today. One of our friends were already here, so we were waiting for her at Miniso. You guys don't understand how much I love hair clips. Like, it just adds so much more to your outfit. We found our other friend. She went to Pandora before to get a charm bracelet for Christmas. God, oh.
There's no Nezuko.
I like this one. This one is my favorite, guys. Look, he's so cheapy. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Our next stop is Muji. It smells so good here. To be honest, I just looked around a lot. How much are these notebooks? I kind of want one.
Same only like we should.
Throughout this whole trip, I didn't buy anything because I was saving my Christmas money.
We've got Dal in here.
It's me, guys! Then we went to Forbidden Planet, and again, I didn't buy anything. I was very tempted to, though. Oh, I really want this, but it's £20. I don't want to buy it. Yeah. I really want this now. Oh, yeah, it's alright. Oh, I don't have 19 of Nana yet. Oh, I need to get this next time. I already have this. This is the only one I don't have. Here's my friend showing all the manga she got. After this, my friend went to Gongcha because she wanted to get the gingerbread man drink or something. I don't know, but apparently it was out of stock, so that didn't happen. Then after this, my friends went to Mama Son's, of course, to get a tiny snack. What? Go eat it!
Oh, you're recording us eating it?
Yeah. Yeah. After we went to sit in Leicester Square for a bit for like a bathroom break, and then we went out to Regent Street to look at the Christmas lights. It was very crowded and chaotic, so I didn't feel much this day. Today, we're going to Westfield to watch the Wonka movie. To be honest, the movie wasn't bad, but we went to Waterstones after because my sister wanted to get a book. Have you guys noticed that every time I eat something, it's always the same thing? It's always chicken and chips. After we ate, we just went to look around at different stores. Look, they have Snoopy! Oh my gosh. Guys, look, they have a fake cloth bag here. Fake cloth bag, it's £39. This is the tiny one. It's like £35. It's cute, but I want the white version of this one. Every time I come here, I never buy anything. I just look around at the romance section and try on different lip tints on my hand. This is my favorite hot chocolate. You guys don't understand how much I love this. Thank you. When I came home, I had a photo card waiting for me. This is actually my first time trading, so I was actually really scared, but I traded my Taehyun reality PC for the Bomgyu equivalent. Oh my gosh. Also, the night before, someone bought a BTS PC off me, so I was packing it here. It's been quite a while since someone bought a PC off me, so I was not expecting this. I usually use my sketchbook paper to hold the PC in, but I just decided to use the card that the other person gave me, since it's a bit more convenient. I don't know why, but I just really like putting a bunch of freebies in my orders. Everything is ready now, so I'll be putting it in this top loader. I usually ship out within the next day, but I'm going out tomorrow, so I don't think I'll have time to do that, so I'll just do it the day after. Today, I'm going out with my sister and my uncle to central London. We're gonna be eating at this place called the Chicken Shop first because I'm very hungry. And yes, I'm eating chicken and chips again. This is actually me. This is me, guys. This is me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, a new one. Cute. Do you want me to try and get a camera me for you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you different boxes. I just swiped. Oh, it's pink. I can see pink. I can see pink. Whoa! Oh, I told you, I'm actually a pro.
Shut up.
Bro, I'm a pro.
Wait, hold this.
Oh, it's so shiny. Oh my god.
Look at the backpack. Oh my god.
That's so cute. Oh my gosh, and I think, oh, it's just like magic. How much is this? Oh, it's £3. Oh, okay. This is bomby. I'm gonna get this. Thank you.
Okay. Can I open it?
Yeah. Please. What is it?
Who is it? The cinema roll. Oh, it's a twin star.
Hey, wait, oh, it's twins. It's Lala.
Oh, it's Lala. No, it's Kiki.
Oh, no, Kiki's the boy.
No, this is Kiki.
No, look.
Who is it?
It's Lala.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's Lala.
Let me see.
This is always sold out. Oh my gosh, they have it. It's only £2. Yeah, so I'm getting this. So this one is the one I saw. I finally have the Gravity album. This is Bongyu's version. There's already a little rip here, but hopefully everything is still here. Photo card and everything else. Bonggyu. This poster is so pretty.
668686, please.
Whoa!
71.
1, 2, 3. Ooh! I got Kai.
Order number 69.
My sister's bias is Kai, and she's like right in front of me right now.
It's mine.
Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. So I'm either gonna trade this or sell it.
No, give it to me.
You don't even collect them, bro. And I need some money.
It's upside down.
No, it's meant to be upside down. Thanks for tuning into my vlog, guys.